Nice thing about digital art, it always puts in piles and piles of little tricks that the actual computer allows you to do some things that you can't do with a paintbrush. And so this is just a trick about how to draw using the computer, and it will save you some time. Try to do this by hand and try to match one side of the image to the other side of the image and see how well you do. It's so difficult that the computer allows you to do this. So this is a method of using different drawing modes on the computer. The computer just has the ability to do a lot of very strange things simply because it has the technological power to change the way an image looks. And so just knowing that off the top of your head means that you can create a lot of very cool effects that sometimes work and sometimes don't. This hat doesn't fit me very well, does it? You get the idea anyways. So we're going to try to show you some of the tricks that will enhance the use of drawing on the computer. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you for watching the Drawing Digitally video. Don't forget to comment, suggest, and subscribe.